If you want to extend the RAM on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Memory. Now under the Memory section, just scroll down and tap on RAM Plus. Now to increase the RAM on your tablet, just enable this toggle. And after you do that, it will ask you how much virtual RAM you want to use. You have the option of 2 GB or 4 GB. Now for an example, I will select 2 GB, then select OK. Now after you do that, just tap on Restart. And after the restart process is completed, you will extend the RAM on your tablet by the selected amount. Now after the restart process is completed, then go back to Settings. Now from here, just tap on Device Care. Then go to the Memory section. Now if we tap on RAM Plus from here, as you can see, we have increased the RAM on our tablet by 2 GB. And this is how you can extend the RAM on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.